Malwarebytes. Product reviews. Malwarebytes is a popular antivirus and anti-malware software that is designed to protect your computer from a wide range of threats. The software is available for Windows, Mac, and mobile devices, and it comes with a range of features that make it stand out from the crowd. Malwarebytes uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to detect and remove malware, viruses, and other types of threats quickly and accurately. The software has a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate, and it comes with a range of features that allow you to customize your level of protection. The software can be set up to run in the background, providing real-time protection against threats, or it can be used to perform on-demand scans of your computer or mobile device. One of the standout features of Malwarebytes is its ability to detect and remove advanced threats that other antivirus software may miss. The software uses advanced heuristics and behavioral analysis to identify threats that may be hiding in your system. The software also has a range of features that allow you to block malicious websites and prevent phishing attacks, reducing the risk of identity theft and other types of cybercrime. Malwarebytes also has a range of features that make it easy to use in a business setting. The software can be managed centrally, allowing administrators to monitor and protect multiple devices from a single location. The software also has a range of reporting features that allow administrators to track threats and monitor the performance of the software. The software's performance is excellent, and it has a minimal impact on system resources. The software runs quietly in the background, and it does not slow down your computer or mobile device. The software also has a range of customization options that allow you to adjust the level of protection and the frequency of scans to suit your needs. Malwarebytes also comes with a range of additional features that make it a comprehensive security solution. The software has a built-in ad blocker that can block annoying ads and pop-ups while you browse the web. The software also has a privacy scanner that can identify potentially sensitive information on your computer or mobile device, allowing you to take steps to protect your privacy. One of the downsides of Malwarebytes is that the free version of the software is limited in its capabilities. The free version can only be used to perform on-demand scans of your computer or mobile device, and it does not provide real-time protection against threats. However, the premium version of the software is reasonably priced and comes with a range of additional features that make it an excellent investment for anyone looking to protect their computer or mobile device from threats. In conclusion, Malwarebytes is an excellent antivirus and anti-malware software that provides comprehensive protection against a wide range of threats. The software uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to detect and remove malware, viruses, and other types of threats quickly and accurately. The software has a user-friendly interface, a range of customization options, and minimal impact on system resources. The software also comes with a range of additional features that make it a comprehensive security solution. While the free version of the software is limited in its capabilities, the premium version of the software is reasonably priced and comes with a range of additional features that make it an excellent investment. Malwarebytes is highly recommended for anyone looking for a reliable, comprehensive antivirus and anti-malware software that provides advanced protection against a wide range of threats.